keep going.
I'm running. I ain't no dummy.
Here we go. Our crowning moment. You need 18.65 worth. 20 pounds even. Your champion is David Dudley. Wow.
Castrol Pro David Dudley, once again, your FLW Tour champion, here to make the check presentation. Your Chevrolet Zone Manager for Central New York and Vermont, Joel Sassa. Look at that, $125,000 richer. On behalf of Chevy. Two-time FLW Tour champion in the same year as he's crowned Angler of the Year. $3.2 million, by the way, if you're starting to do the math. Mr. David Dudley, here's the hardware. There you are, sir. Another trophy, 2 days in a row. Lake Champlain champion for 2012. Man. For the first time in his career, he's ranked #1 in the world and has been since May, and he still holds that title to this day. Good night. We're not even halfway through the year, folks. Think about that. We still have the Forest Cup to come.